what's hot on the open here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick from the Cusick Group. Securities offered by MoneyBlock. Let's take a look at the markets. Jumping in right now, I can see that the bond complex in the red. You have the 10-year at 123 and 4.5 ticks. Basically got the 30-year at 148.17, so down about 12 ticks. The bond markets to the downside. You also have the equity markets to the downside. This is a very profit-taking, trimming of any loose ends right now type of market. The Dow Jones is trading at 19,872, down 18. Taking a look at the Russell 2000 futures, trading at 1372.10, down $1.40. You're looking at the NASDAQ right now, trading at 4942.75, down $6.75. You have the S&P 500 futures trading down 450 at 2256. You also have the dollar week by about 10 cents. It's trading right now at 102.93, and you have the crude markets. Crude actually is trading up this morning at 52.70. So we have a red market except in the crude markets, and also copper. Copper's to the upside right now, upside to flat at $2.49 and 49.65. So it's basically trading about flatline right now. So the market's mixed, but we want to take a look at what's hot. What's going on, what's gapping up, what's gapping down. Let's take a look at what's moving to the upside. And we're going to start with Micron. Micron had earnings. They had excellent earnings and guidance. Stocks trading up about 11% at $23.05. Last night when I took a look at Micron in front of its earnings this morning, the options were only pricing in a 5% move, and the stock has already moved 11%. So you're seeing some pretty substantial moves going into the year end on Micron. We're also seeing that some of its peers, STM Microelectronics, ticker symbol STM, it's trading up about 0.7% at 11.25. You're also seeing AMD trading up about 0.7% at 11.65. So very interesting action off of the earnings beat on Micron as well as the guidance, and you're seeing the peers moving as well. On the upside, there is also some other movers. CVR Refining, ticker symbol is CVRR. It is a $9.95 stock. It's up 12% today. It's moving higher on a report that President-elect Trump is said to be naming Carl Icahn as a special advisor on overhauling federal regulations. Interesting that this small refining stock boosting the upside on that headline. The options that are expiring in 29 days for CVRR, pricing in the potential for this stock to be in a range of either up $1.62 or down $1.62, and that's after this 12% move. Let's see if volatility starts to pick up there as well. We're also seeing some movement in Novartis, ticker symbol NVS. Stock's trading at $72, up about 0.9%. It looks like they're going to have a licensing agreement with Sanovion Pharmaceuticals, basically for the U.S. commercial rights of its 3 treatments for a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The terms weren't listed, and I couldn't see them if they were disclosed, but I did take a look at the Novartis NVS options, and the monthly options are pricing in a range of either this stock being up $2.88 or down $2.88. So it's a pretty decent range. You're basically looking at about a 5% range being priced in for Novartis on this news. What's moving to the downside right now on the open? On earnings and guidance, you see Red Hat. Red Hat, poor earnings, poor guidance, stocks down at $70.15, down about 12%. Now the options are pricing the potential for this stock to be in a range basically for the next 29 days of either up or down $3.75. So you could see it as high as 74 or as low as 66 and some change. Finish Line continued to struggle on the downside. FINL, they had poor earnings, poor guidance. Stocks trading down 3.8% at $20.44. Again, we're going to watch this because some of its peers, the bricks and mortar peers, like Foot Locker, were all to the downside as well. The options were pricing in a range of around $1.87. Also, we had Bed Bath & Beyond report, missed on earnings, poor guidance. Again, another bricks and mortar. Stock's trading at 43.70, down about 3.4% on the open. The range right now for this stock is either up 263 or down 263 for the next 29 days. So you could have it as high as right around 46 or as low as 41 and some change, $40 and some change. You're also seeing Fred trading down about 3.2%. They at around 1871. Fred finally finished up the acquisition of all of the Rite Aid stores, about 865 stores from the Walgreens group. And so right now the stock's trading down on that completion of the acquisition of those stores at 1871. The options right now for the next 29 days are pricing in that the stock could have a range of basically $3.75. So you could see it as high as basically 22 or as low as 15 and some change. We're also seeing Twitter moving this morning. It's up about down about 1.3% at 1684. Basically, it's trading lower on some. There's been some reports that the potential interest from Disney is kind of slated right now or shelved right now and put on hold. We're going to watch that closely. Taking a look at the options, they're pricing in over the next 29 days that Twitter could be in a $1.78 range. That basically puts it as high as almost 19 or as low as getting to right around 14 and some change. Finally, we're seeing Alibaba on the move, ticker symbol BABA. Stock's down about 1.3% at 87.72. There was it was basically U.S. blacklist the company Taobao marketplace, resulting from what they found is just counterfeit concerns. This has moved Alibaba to the downside by 1.3% on that headline of that company that has basically been blacklisted because they're shooting out counterfeit product. The options right now for the next 29 days are pricing in that BABA could have a range of either up $5.18 or down $5.18. That basically could put the stock right now as high as 92, 93 or as low as 81, 82. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Could be some volatility there in BABA. All right, folks, that's it for right now for the What's Hot on the Open. Join me at 1:30 Eastern Time here at MarketStream.live, where I am going to be looking at some unique strategies that are trading today in the marketplace. I'll give you a little insight there here on MarketStream.live. All right, have a great trading day.